The camera world is once again abuzz with anticipation as Sony gears up to unveil its latest addition to the Alpha series, the Sony A7V. Positioned as the successor to the widely praised A7 IV, this new model is rumored to bring significant upgrades that could redefine the mid-tier full-frame camera market. With an expected announcement in April 2025, following a major product event on February 26, 2024, photography and videography enthusiasts alike are eager to see what Sony has in store. Sony's February 26 event, scheduled between 3 o'clock and 4 p.m. London time, is set to introduce 2 new lenses and possibly even an unexpected camera reveal. These announcements could set the stage for the A7V's eventual debut, marking another milestone in Sony's pursuit of innovation. February 26 event. A focus on optics. Sony's upcoming event is expected to primarily focus on optics, introducing 2 highly anticipated lenses that cater to distinct segments of the photography community. Sony 4800mm f/6.3. Designed for sports and wildlife photographers, this telephoto zoom lens offers incredible reach with a variable aperture. Its lightweight design ensures portability without compromising on power, making it an ideal choice for capturing distant subjects. Sony 16mm f/1.8G. A fast-aperture, wide-angle prime lens aimed at landscape and astrophotography enthusiasts. With its excellent low-light capabilities and shallow depth of field, this lens is expected to be a favorite among creative shooters. While these lenses are exciting additions to Sony's lineup, the real buzz surrounds the anticipated Sony A7V. With recent reports indicating that Sony has registered a new camera in China, a process that typically precedes an official announcement by up to 4 months, the A7V will likely be unveiled by April 2025. Sony A7V. A major upgrade in the Alpha series? The Sony A7V is expected to bring a host of new features and improvements that solidify its position as a versatile hybrid camera, bridging the gap between enthusiasts and professionals. Let's take a closer look at what we can expect. High-resolution full-frame sensor. One of the most significant upgrades in the A7V is the inclusion of a 42-megapixel backside illuminated full-frame sensor. This is a substantial leap from the 33-megapixel sensor found in the A7 IV, promising higher resolution, improved dynamic range, and superior low-light performance. Additionally, the new sensor is expected to feature faster readout speeds, effectively addressing one of the A7 IV's biggest drawbacks, rolling shutter issues in video mode. This improvement will be particularly beneficial for videographers capturing fast-paced action and dynamic scenes. Second-generation Bions XR processor. Paired with the second-generation Bions XR processor, the A7V is likely to deliver faster image processing, enhanced noise reduction, and more efficient handling of demanding tasks such as high-burst shooting. This powerful combination of sensor and processor should result in a camera that excels in both still photography and video, truly making it a hybrid powerhouse. AI-driven autofocus and subject tracking. Another major upgrade expected in the A7V is the integration of an AI processing unit, a feature previously reserved for Sony's high-end models. With the power of advanced machine learning algorithms, the A7V's autofocus system will be able to recognize and track a wide range of subjects with unparalleled accuracy. Whether capturing human faces, animals, or fast-moving objects, the AI-driven autofocus promises to deliver exceptional performance even in challenging conditions. For videographers, this AI integration could bring additional benefits such as smoother focus transitions and improved dynamic stabilization. These enhancements will make handheld shooting more intuitive and reliable, reducing the need for additional stabilization equipment. The A7V's AI capabilities are expected to set a new benchmark for mid-tier cameras, blurring the lines between consumer and professional-grade performance. Enhanced video capabilities. Video performance has always been a strong suit of the Alpha series, and the A7V is rumored to push this even further. One of the most exciting upgrades is the ability to record 4K video at up to 120 frames per second without a crop. This feature will be a game-changer for content creators who rely on slow-motion footage, as it ensures a wider field of view and greater compositional flexibility. Additionally, Sony is expected to address the overheating issues that plagued previous models, allowing for longer recording sessions without interruptions. While the A7V is not expected to include 8K recording, its emphasis on oversampled 4K video highlights Sony's commitment to practical performance rather than unnecessary specs. With improved heat management and AI-driven enhancements, the A7V's video capabilities will be further refined, making it a compelling choice for content creators and hybrid shooters. Refined user experience and ergonomics. The A7 IV received praise for its robust build quality but was also criticized for being somewhat bulky and heavy. The A7V is expected to address these concerns with a more compact and lightweight design while maintaining durability and weather sealing. A significant upgrade in usability is the inclusion of a 4-axis touchscreen, a feature first introduced in the A7RV. This highly flexible display will enable more creative compositions and provide easier menu navigation. Improved touchscreen responsiveness will further enhance the overall user experience, making the A7V more intuitive for both beginners and professionals alike. Performance enhancements and burst shooting. While the A7V is not designed to compete with flagship models like the A1 or A9 series, it is expected to offer modest improvements in burst shooting capabilities. The A7IV's 10 FPS burst rate is likely to see a slight increase, catering to photographers who capture fast-moving subjects such as wildlife or sports. While this may not seem like a groundbreaking upgrade, it aligns with the A7V's positioning as a versatile mid-tier camera that balances performance and affordability. Pricing and market positioning. The Sony A7V is expected to be priced between $2,799 and $2,999, representing a slight increase over the A7IV's launch price. This pricing strategy positions it as a direct competitor to models like the Canon EOS R6 Mark II and the Nikon Z6 III. While these rival cameras have their strengths, the A7V's combination of advanced features, AI-driven autofocus, and balanced performance could make it a standout choice for hybrid shooters. For those considering an upgrade, the decision between waiting for the A7V or opting for a discounted A7 IV is not straightforward. The A7 IV remains a capable camera, particularly for those who prioritize value. However, the A7V's enhanced sensor, improved autofocus, and superior video capabilities represent a significant leap forward, aligning with the evolving demands of content creation. A milestone in the Alpha series? The Sony A7V is shaping up to be a milestone release in the Alpha series, blending incremental upgrades with transformative features. With its expected debut in April 2025, it marks an exciting moment for both enthusiasts and professionals.